Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to find your Binance referral ID. So the first step is go to the Binance app, and now you need to go in the superior part of the feed of the app. You need to pick in the Binance logo. So you pick here, and now you need to pick here in the option of more services in your profile. And now you need to search this. Referral. You need to pick in referral, and now you need to wait a few minutes. And right here you got the ID, the referral ID here. Obviously, your referral ID is different than me. So that's it. That's the process. It's an easy process to do, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.